Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, disable Windows 10 login lock screen and password. Click Start, Settings. Click Accounts. Click Sign in Options. Select Never under Require Sign In. Type NetPLWiz in Windows search bar. Click NetPLWiz. Uncheck users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Click Apply. Type password for admin user. Click OK. Click OK. Restart your computer. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.